First off, let's get some light. How's that? That's right, wake up, rise and shine, ladies. It's a new day, it's Sunday, it's your favorite day of the week. It's yours truly time. All right, ladies, back with another one. Yours truly, it's yours truly time. Take my hand, baby, as always. Come on, we got reservations for two. Wine and dine, baby. See the sport jacket on? Right, so what do we got going on today in La Cocina? First off, let's get some light. How's that? That's right, wake up, rise and shine, ladies. It's a new day, it's Sunday, it's your favorite day of the week. It's yours truly time, wine and dine time, that's right. Forget about Netflix and chill time. We're past that. My ladies who've been staying with me, we started Netflix and chilling. But what are we doing these days? Come on, baby, you see the sport jacket on? See that fitted up? That great fit. Bare chested though, that's the key. Wine and dine time, ladies. Let's go, reservations for two, follow me. Where we going? Cocina, baby. Let's do this. All right. I know you're excited. I hear my studio audience, they're clapping. I love it. Everybody's pumped up. Everybody's pumped up. That's right. You know what, ladies? Sometimes you're gonna be in this kitchen and you're gonna feel like you're fighting a war. Like you gotta, you know what I'm saying?